Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Today it's Mommy Ray Ray and I'm feeling good and hope you guys are too. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make cornbread in a cast iron skillet, guys. I hope everyone is well today. I'm ready to introduce my ingredients real quick here, guys. As a matter of fact, guys, I'm going to tell you this. I'm using Quakers today, but I use Loretta, I can use Jeminma, and I can use those three things. Jeminma, Loretta's, or Quakers. I put me 2 cups in here. I'm going to put my cast iron in the oven, guys. My oven today is on 400. You see that? 400. So let's put our cast iron skillet into the oven so that it can get heated up while we do our ingredients. Okay, 2 cups. Quakers, Loretta, or Jeminma. Okay, this is what we want to do first. We're going to take our dry ingredients first, guys, and they're in here. Now we're going to take these 2 eggs, put them in the. We're going to do your wet things separate. Put them in there. 2 large eggs. Just going to beat those up to get them ready, guys. We're beating these suckers up really pretty. And I'm going to add a little salt into here. And we got that together, okay? So your little pinch of salt goes into your egg. Alright, salt is in your egg. And all that's rocking and rolling, guys. We're going to put that over there. That skillet is getting hot. Let's move this out of the way here. We're going to go in and get that skillet. We let it get a little heat on it. Could have did it on the top or the bottom. I'm going to go in now and take my oil. My measurements will be in my bio today. Take a little bit of that oil. Put it in there. And I'm putting mine back in there while I'm getting my ingredients together. It's going back in the oven. Okay, 400. Okay, guys. Now, here's what we're going to do. 2 cups of milk. Okay. Okay. So this is our 2nd cup of milk. Okay. So we got that in there. Now we're going to go in with that egg with the salt. Okay, we got that in there. Now we're going to take this baby and we're going to beat it up. This will probably be the easiest that you'll ever make. Alright guys, see this? This is what you want. You see this? Look how that's up in there. And the reason why I'm telling you guys that you can use Loretta and Jeminma or Quakers is because I've made cornbread with all 3 of those and it comes out excellent. Now, what I'm about to do on my next step is not necessary unless you want to do it, but it's because it's habit for me. I'm going to put just a little bit of flour in here, just a little bit. You don't have to do it. I'm doing it to just make my bread, just something I used to see different ones do. But I know my grandmother would make cornbread so well, and I would love it. I'm going to whisk this probably for about another minute. Make sure that my cornmeal, that flour that I just put in there, don't mess me up, guys. So I want to do this. Whisk it up. See that? Now remember that cast iron is in the skillet with oil in there. And I'm going to add some butter to there because it's going to be really hot. Okay, so we got that mixture together. See that? Awesome, guys. All right, I'm going to take that cast iron skillet out and I'll be right back. All right, guys, watch this. It's melting in there. You want this to melt down. This is the key to getting it to fry. You want that cornbread to fry in there and you will have the most awesomest cornbread you ever taste in your life. All right, guys, we're going to let that melt down, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is what you want to do now. You want to take that cornbread and put it in there. See that? This will be the best cornbread. Put your oven on 400 and let this cook for about 20-25 minutes. I'm going to put this in the oven, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. This took 30 minutes to cook, guys. This is what I got here. I'm going to let it cool down. But if you are familiar with my Instagram page, you'll get to see it. I'm having dinner together with spaghetti and some of my homemade cornbread. Excellent recipe, guys. I'm going to use this, what I have left for my dressing. Hope you will try it. Remember, Jeminma or Quakers. You can do it. Very easy. See how it fried along the sides? I will be cutting it, and you'll get to see it if you look on my Instagram page. You guys have a great day, and voila! Bye-bye.